this is what it looks like on my balcony right now. Rain and hail slowing. You can see all the ice flowing down that driveway there.